everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As you can see, this room is like completely, nearly 100% empty now. They took down the walls where we used to have to crawl through the wall. A whole bunch of stuff happened today. One of the things that happened was Steven worked on taking down this pipe that ran across the outside of this room because they wanted to take the walls down. As you can see, they're down now, so he got that completed. So he turned the power off, and then he got that whipped across with the temporary MC. As you can see, there is a junction box right below the strut right there, which quickly passed by, but we also took out the exam light in that, and then also took out the switches right there that are circled. So this is us cleaning up at the end of the day. I had to work a little bit late to clean up and stuff like that, take out our trash. We were cutting out a whole bunch of pipe here at the end of the day. All the stuff that we couldn't get to before, all the EMT, all the MC that was down the walls. So we just went through at the end of the day, and we were all kind of rushing to try to get all this stuff done. I don't know if they wanted us to be done or not at the end of the day, but we didn't have time, and we were already like running late, so we just said we'll do it like Monday. So pretty much everything is out. There's still like a few switches and some EMT. They just like took all this insulation and sheetrock down today on this whole entire wall. So that kind of left us in a hurry to try to get our stuff out. Other thing that me and my apprentice worked on today, we did a whole bunch of like hours of researching and planning to rip all these receptacles out, as you saw yesterday. We finally got that done. We got the containment cart on the other side of the containment inside of this room. We had to go through the emergency department outside of the containment and then shut down a few circuits, circuit 2 and circuit 4. One of these was critical. I think they were both critical, but one was red receptacles, one was isolated ground receptacles for computers and stuff. So we went ahead, and once we got all that pulled out, Steven helped us pulled that wire out through this bottom box as it goes underneath of the floor and up through the wall up into the junction box. So we got that pulled out, and then basically got all the wire pulled out in like 15 minutes, and then all the research just took forever before that. So anyways, finally got that done, so that's exciting. They really wanted to take out that old nurse station, and then the other guys worked on taking out basically all the lights except for 2 of them. As you remember yesterday, now there's a temporary light, and this was all like ceiling grid yesterday. Now the ceiling grid is completely gone, and there's like 2 lights left, so they did a really good job on that while we worked on all our other stuff today, taking stuff out of the other room where we used to have to crawl through the wall. We got all that stuff taken out on the other side and pulled back into the emergency department with the containment cart. All right, everybody, thanks for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Giveaway video, I'll probably try to do that over the weekend. And that's going to wrap it up. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you over the weekend. Peace.